Hey guys, it's your girl Bianca V giving you all of me, and today I'm bringing you a video on how I achieved this teen werewolf look. Okay, so here I'm just gonna brush up my eyebrows in a upward motion. And I'm going to emphasize that by using my concealer and going over the bottom arch of my eyebrows to make it look like my eyebrows are angled upward toward my temples. This method would work better if you use like glue to glue your eyebrows down and then going over them with the concealer, but I just couldn't find mine. So that's another strategy that you can use. Using the Elle palette, I'm going to start off with warm tones and then transition to darker tones. I will place all of the colors in the description box below in the same order that I use them in. But I started off with an orange, then to a brown, then to a dark purple, and then dark brown, and then black. Why be perfect? Because this is Halloween, you know, it's a werewolf look. Like, it's not supposed to look perfect. And excuse the excess powder. I don't know why I didn't dust off my brush first, but I guess because I was in a rush and I was trying to hurry up. But all of that will be cleaned up after I put the foundation on and the concealer on. But, you know, it's a costume. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect and in sync, unless that's how you want it to be, but I didn't. So using the eyebrow pencil, I'm just trying to make the hairs a little bit longer and more angled toward the temples. And then I fill it in with this brown Tarte mascara, which I will also put down below. All of the products will be listed down below. Look at the baby. Who's the baby? He's so cute, my baby boy. Okay, so right here, I'm going to contour, and I want the outer edges or the perimeter of my face to be darker and, you know, contour as normal. So I'm going on around my whole entire face with this dark color on the outer edges. And then I will highlight as normal. am creating that widow's peak that wolves tend to have by using gel eyeliner and an angled brush and just making strokes. And I try to add fur around my face, so I just go in using long strokes and short strokes in angled patterns. It does not have to be perfect. Again, just commit to it and it'll turn out great. By using different colors like the white, brown, and black, you kind of add texture to it so that the fur can be a little bit more believable or more poppin', however you want to put it. And you just keep doing the same thing, just adding strokes, adding lines, and it'll work out. And voila, you have your teen wolf look. The contacts are Red Wolf contacts, and you can get those from your local cigar or smoke shop. That definitely played a major part in setting off the whole look, the contacts. So don't forget those. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Peace.